So hello guys, in today's video we're gonna be looking at one of the best information gathering tools, so that is the inspector. And as you can see, here's the link of this tool, and you can either download this tool or you can clone this tool. The link will be in the description, so don't forget to check it out. And for installing or cloning, you can just copy this link and add desktop to your path and just type this git clone space and paste the link here and hit enter. So as you can see, the inspector is cloning and you can see the folder is there. So downloading part has been done, so let's install this. First open this folder and then let's see what's inside. So you need to install this file, but before installing you need to give it some permissions. For that you need to type this chmod plus x and then the file name. Oops. So when you hit enter, it will give the permissions, and then you want to install it by simply writing /install.sh. So mine is already installed, so I will head toward that. Wait, let me do that. Just after installation, when you need to run it, you simply type this in the terminal, the 23. Simply type this, or you can search over here. As you can see, it just came. So we have two options. You can either do search or you can just type it on your terminal. So hit enter. This might take a time, but we can wait. And as you can see, the tool has been opened and there are a lot of options through which you can gather information of your victim. And the first is website information, like if your victim has a website and you need to know something about the person, you can do this website information. And if you have his number, then you can head towards the second option. And there are so many as far. So it's according to your type, what you know about your victim. So information gathering is probably the basic part before doing any attack on the victim. So this was the small video of the installation process and knowing about this tool. So thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I will meet you in the next video. Sayonara.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.